Today I'm going to read Mighty Machines Road Rollers. Road rollers are heavy machines. They use their weight to flatten ground. Road rollers flatten ground for roads and buildings. A road roller has a drum. Drums are smooth or rough. Rough drums work well on dirt and rock. This road roller has one rough drum and two wheels. This road roller has two rough drums. It flattens trash in a landfill. Smooth drums are used on asphalt. This road roller has two smooth drums. This road roller flattens ground for a foundation. A building will be built on it. This road roller flattens asphalt to make a road. Now cars can drive on their new road. Asphalt, a mix of crushed rock and other materials used to pave roads. Drum, a part of a machine shaped like a tube with ends. Road rollers use drums to flatten the ground. Foundation, a solid flat structure on which a building is built. Landfill, a large area where trash is buried. Weight, how heavy a person or object is. And I'm going to read another book, Bulldozer's Big Day. It was Bulldozer's big day, and he could not wait to invite all his friends to his party. Motor humming and blade held high, he zoomed, bumped, vroom across the construction site. Guess what today is? Whooped Bulldozer when he got to where Digger truck was working. Guess, Digger boomed. I don't need to guess, kid. Today is a scooping day. Scooping, scooping, scooping. And a sifting day, dump truck rumbled. Sifting, sifting, sifting. Bulldozer's blade dropped a little. He rolled to where cement mixer was working. Guess what today is? Called Bulldozer. I already know. Cement mixer belch. Today is a steering day. Steering, steering, steering. And Bulldozer's blade dropped a bit lower. He rumbled to where scraper and grader were working. Guess what? Began Bulldozer. Guess. Scraper rattled. Who has time to guess? Today is a filling day. Filling, filling, filling. And a chopping day. Grader clattered. Chopping, chopping, chopping. And Bulldozer's blade dropped lower still. He bumped to where roller truck was working. Do you care what today is? Asked Bulldozer. No. Roller grumbled. With a hiss of smoke, he huffed away. Mashing day, he muttered. Mashing, mashing, mashing. And Bulldozer's blade dropped so low it almost touched the ground. He crawled to where crane truck was working. I don't suppose you know what today is, Bulldozer said with a sigh. Of course I do, Crane clanged. You do? Asked Bulldozer. His blade rose hopefully. It's a lifting day, Crane banged. Lifting, lifting, lifting. And this is my sixth and last. Woot! The construction whistle blew. Bulldozer turned away, his blade dragging sadly in the dirt. No games, he sniffled, no friends, no party. Then, woot! Fifth, a different kind of whistle blew. Toot, hoot, woo. Lots of whistles blew. You do know what today is, cried Bulldozer. And as his friends revved their engines and honked their horns, Bulldozer raised his blade high and made a wish. Hooray! Blared the others. Then Bulldozer squealed, What are we waiting for? Let's dig in. And they did. The end. Thanks for watching, guys.